Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Notifications section. Then tap on App Notifications and select All at the top. Following that, tap on the best filter for you. In my case, Most Frequent. Then tap on the switcher next to one of your apps that you wish to, from which you wish to actually block notifications, like Play Store. You can always switch them back on the same way. If you want to, you can always just click on one of your apps located on the left, and thanks to this switcher next to Allow Notifications, switch them off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!